Looking to build a simple and affordable website for your laser tag sensor? You're in the right place, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the MartySites platform to build a simple website for your laser tag service. If you haven't heard of MartySites before, welcome to our YouTube channel. We pretty much have built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so you can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details are needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Now, once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do once you've registered an account is to search for your markets. Now, we've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. Let's head to the top and search for our market, laser tag sensor. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Excellent. Let's start MartySites. A few basic details about our laser tag sensor. Pop in your business name, city and state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from, you can enjoy the MartySites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you click on continue, MartySites will automatically generate a simple website for your laser tag sensor and bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new websites in under 30 seconds. Don't worry about that for now because today I'm going to be the one to show you the ropes. Now, the beauty of MartySites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you. This is just a guideline, of course, to make your life easy when it comes to launching a simple website for your laser tag sensor. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality. They're also completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your website for your business. Maybe you want to make one or two amendments to this content. Perhaps you don't offer all these services. You want to change it up a bit. You can absolutely do so. It's super simple. You don't need to know any website coding. Be a web professional in any kind of way or have any web development skills. And you certainly don't need to hire someone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. Let's go ahead and click on the first section over here. Pop in your email address. I want to make sure that that's visible to my customers. So let's go ahead and tick that box. Phone number is click to call, and physical location. When your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Underneath update social links, put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Once you've done so, the icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. In the next section, if you have a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. You can click on that little pencil to make slight edits to your logo. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can resize it. You can make your logo bigger and smaller to suit your needs. To change the colors used throughout your website, you don't need to know color coding. Click on that paint bucket bottom right-hand corner to go through the various color palette options available for you to use. For each section, you'd like to change it up a bit, click on that update section button underneath update images where you can browse your device, search through the photo library, hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram accounts and pull in those photos if you have a profile. Underneath update action is where we have that call to action buttons. You can change the text on the buttons and where they're linked to, you can even upload a PDF file. In the last section at the bottom is where you can put in your opening hours for your laser tag sensor. Head on over to update hours, put in the opening hours for each day of the week. Once you click on save hours, the page will automatically reload after saving and display them over here for your customers' convenience. Domains are really easy as well. If you'd like to connect yours up, click on that yellow button, connect your domain to set it up. It's really straightforward. If you don't have a custom domain, we really recommend that you get one to make your website even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. Go ahead and click on that button as well. You can actually purchase a custom domain via the MartySites platform as well. I really hope this short tutorial was helpful in building a simple website for your laser tag sensor on the MartySites platform. Don't forget that thumbs up and to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Really wishing you and your business Marty success.